What was that noise? I think I'm gonna go look, see what that was. What the? What's this? Come downstairs into the kitchen. I'll be waiting for you on the counter. XOXO, your secret murderer. Well, I guess that means that you better go look, because I mean, like, papers just lying around randomly on the floor. I mean, they never lie, right? Am I right? Uh-oh, I feel a heated battle coming on versus a boy and a chicken. Stupid chicken, stop jumping on me! No, not the face, no. How can I not kill him? That's it, chicken. I've had enough of this crap. Yeah, you with the chicken soup. Yeah! Crap, this is taking too long. Get this meat later. Die! Fried chicken at your service. Just had the strangest dream where this chicken broke into my house and it started chasing me with a knife. That's so weird. Anyway, that's over. No.